Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm Mark and I will be drawing Gengar from Pokemon. So click that like button and let's get started. All right, grab yourself a sheet of paper and a Sharpie here and we will start off. So I'm gonna start with the eye, the left eye. So I'm gonna draw in the center of my page. I'm gonna draw a line pointing downward like this. And then I'm gonna draw a curve coming from the top down, kind of hooked over like that. I may need to extend this just a little bit. All right, then we're gonna come across somewhere about here, and then we're gonna go up in this direction for the other eye. And then we're gonna come down and then have a little bit of a flatter spot on this side. It's gonna come down a little bit flatter, and then up like this. If you want to extend this out a little bit more, you can do that. And then I'll draw the center of the eye like this. And I'm going to have a highlight, and then I'm just going to color the rest in black. And I'll do the same on the other side. I'll draw the eye shape with a highlight and then color and fill that in. Okay. Next, we'll draw the mouth. So we're going to come down just slightly from the eyes, and we'll start over here. We'll come down, okay? And then we'll draw this line. It's going to be slightly pointing down, and then you're going to come up ever so slightly like this. And then over here, this will kind of hook up like that. So his mouth's going to be really long. Now you'll come in from this side here. You'll come in just a bit, and you're going to come down and curve. And then this line here, the one that we're going to draw, is going to kind of follow this. And we're going to try to draw like right around where the eyes are. That's going to be flat like this. And then as you get over here, now we'll start to come up, and we're going to come to inside of the edge of the mouth right about here. So we'll kind of start hooking this up and end right around there. Now we can do the teeth. So I'm going to start with the center. I'm going to go in between the eyes, and I'm going to find the first tooth. I'm just going to come straight down, and then I'm going to come, we can start going to the left. So we'll come right about where the eye is like this, and then we'll draw another one like that. And then on this side, try to keep the spacing similar, just like that. And then we'll draw another one here. Now let's get another one right there. All right, so now we have the eyes and the mouth in place. Over here on this side, I'm going to draw a curve right around here. If you come up from the eye, this corner of the eye, you come up a bit. And what we'll do is we'll come out like this, and then we'll come down like that. And then right around here, we'll draw a line, kind of comes flat like this. Okay. And then for the head, we'll draw a triangular shape. So come up from this point here, come up somewhere about here. Okay, and then you'll draw a line out to the left like that, and then this will come down somewhere about here. We'll kind of point down like that. Okay, and then you can come up where this eye is here, somewhere about here, and then you'll come up in this direction like that. And now see where this the edge of the mouth is? If you drew a line kind of up in that direction, kind of off of this part here, all right, we'll come right about here, okay, which is almost horizontal from this point here, all right, almost the same spot there. We'll come like this, and we'll draw this kind of outward like that. And now this was a little short, it's okay. Just go and connect those together. Now I'll complete the top here. So we're gonna have a small shape that comes up like this triangular shape. We'll do another one like this. And then we'll do a longer one that's kind of pointed to the right a little bit. So this one's a little bit longer. It'll come down. And then there will be one more. And then this one is going to be about the same height as these, but it's pointing more towards the right of the page. So you'll come out like this, like that. Okay? And now on this side, we will draw a small triangle pointing to the right, like this. And then we'll draw the arm on this side. So what we can do is start on the outside like this, and we'll just do a curve, and the fingers will come right about where the bottom of the mouth is, okay? So if you drew an imaginary line, I'll just use my pencil to kind of show you guys. Draw like an imaginary line out over here. So you don't want your fingers to be past that line there. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll come over like this. We'll have kind of like this shape like this. And then we'll draw the inner part of the arm. So this is going to kind of come down like this. And that's going to kind of hook over like that. And then this will have like the 3 kind of triangular shapes. So we'll do like 1, 2, and then 3 like that. And then let's go over to the other side and same thing. This one, you know, you can be maybe a little bit lower than where this line is. So somewhere about here. So we'll start where the eye is. So see here, you can see where this one is. You drew an imaginary line somewhere about here. We'll start and we'll hook this over like this. And then this one will come over like that. And on this side, we'll do these 2 little V shapes like that. So now we got the 2 arms. All right, now it's time for the legs. What I'll do here is we'll come down just below this arm, somewhere about here. Okay, and then I'm gonna create this curve that kind of starts coming down, points to the left, and then points back in here. So just below the belly area here, you want to have that line just below there. And now if you come inside here and then curve like this, that'll kind of be in line with that. So then what you can do is you can hook this over just a little bit, and then we'll come to about here like that, and this will come up, and then we'll draw another line like this. It comes up, and then we'll finish off with the last toe shape like this, and then this kind of comes up like that. And then if you need to finish that line there, you can do it like that. I'll put in a little line like this, and if you want to touch any of this stuff up, feel free to go ahead. Okay, now we go over to the other side of the body. And on this side here, my line, it's a little short. I want to be almost in the middle of the mouth and the arm here. So if I draw an imaginary line, I want this to be somewhere about here. So I'm just going to extend that a little bit further, just like that. And then what I can do is I can come down, go over just a bit like this, and we'll kind of hook over like that. Okay. And then we'll create a like a triangular shape that comes down and up. And then we'll do another one like this. And then another one like this. Okay. And then over here we'll come up, and we want the line to end inside this length here, somewhere about here. Okay, so what you can do is you can start down here because we already know where this is, right? So you can come up and over to the right a bit. So we're going to come into this direction. and then we'll bend back to the left. So we'll come up, bend over to the left like that. And I could keep maybe coming up a little bit higher, and then I'll have this kind of come in like that. All right, guys, we just finished drawing Gengar from Pokemon. If you liked the video, don't forget, click that like button and subscribe to our channel because I have videos coming out every single day, so you don't want to miss any of them. All right, so let's color this guy in and we'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, we just finished drawing Gengar from Pokemon. I hope you like this video. Don't forget, click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. We have videos coming out every day. See you soon. Bye-bye.